All right, so today it says that students will, in writing, sequentially solve cubic functions into factored form using sequential math steps. Now that you know how to solve quadratics using the XPuzzle method and greatest common factor, let's put them together. So let's see, we have 2x plus 2x cubed plus 14x squared plus 20x. Can you put this into factored form? Hint, we're going to start with factoring out a 2x, or divide, which is spelled wrong. Divide from each term, and then use an XPuzzle solve. So, okay. So if I have 2x cubed plus 14x squared plus 20x, what I want to take out, it's giving me this little hint, 2x. Normally I'd have to figure that out myself, but we got a hint. So if we divide 2x out of here, what we have left is x squared. If we take 2x out of here left, we have 7, right? 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then we take one of these x's away, so you still have one left. And the last one, 2, we get 10 and no x, right? However, don't forget that when we take something out, it goes bam, right outside here. All right, so even though this is out here, we can still use an XPuzzle for what's in here, okay? So I'm going to draw my XPuzzle right here. So I have x, and then I have two numbers that multiply to positive 10 and add to positive 7. So I can look at my factors of 10, right? So I have 1 times 10, 2 times 5. I don't know of anything else other than those, right? Well, let's see, 1 plus 10 is 11, and 2 plus 5 is 7, so it is 2 and 5. So we have an answer of 2x, and then x plus 2, and x plus 5. Okay, now you go ahead and try these two on your own.